Okay, all students, never ever tamper with fire alarms at school. Or else you will get expelled from school and you will not get an education anymore. So do not do it. Remember, a fire alarm at school is there to protect the safety of students and teachers. So do not mess with it. Do not pull the fire alarm to skip a test, or else you will end up like Mikey from Darman. Because he got arrested for pulling the fire alarm at his school to skip a test. So, do not do it. If you are 18 years old and older and you pull the fire alarm at school, you will definitely get arrested. If you are in elementary school and you pull that alarm, you will not get arrested, but you will still get into very big trouble. You will get suspended, expelled, you will get grounded by your parents, and you will have your stuff taken away from you. And if you have fire alarms of your own, your fire alarms will be taken away from you because you are not responsible with fire alarms in a public building if you tamper with them. So do not tamper with them at school or in any public building. Bye.